In this video today I am going to show you how to change the IMEI number of the device. Actually in some cases you will not get internet or a GSM network in your device. At that time you have to go to your setting and first of all you check your IMEI number is correct or not. So if you go to your dialer, the code will be, most of us know, *#06#. So this will give me my IMEI number. So in this case I can see both the SIM is having, both the GSM module is having the same IMEI number. That means there is a problem with the IMEI number here. Okay, so don't get confused with this MEID. This is also one part, like as a termed as IMEI only. So how to change this, that process I'll be telling you today. So first of all, I have an application, and let me remind you one thing. This device is built in MediaTek processor, so I'll be using the one application from MediaTek which will allow me to change the IMEI number of my device. So let me just quickly demonstrate to you. I have added my memory card, and I have the MTK engineering tool on my memory card. So I'll just copy that to and paste it on my internal storage. So I'll just paste it here. So as you can see, I have the app here. So I'll install the app. So it will take some time. So the app installation is done right now. So just click on done and go back to your home screen. So go to app drawer and open this. You will get like this MTK. If you can see, MTK engineering tool. This, click on that and you will get settings like this. So you go to MTK settings, then you have to go to connectivity. If you slide like this, you will get it. So connectivity, then the CDS information, and then you have to go to radio information, and then phone. After going to phone, you have to write give like before plus you give one space, okay, and then type EGMR. So so you can see the first option only, EGMR. If it is not there, you type as it is like this with 1,7, then double quote, 2 double quotes actually. Okay, where like inside this double quote I need to put my IMEI number. So just check if you are in a correct place. Yes. So inside this double quote we have to put the IMEI number, and that's it guys. And one more thing to remember is, if you directly send the code like this, it will show you error message like this. This command is not allowed in the user build. So in that time you have to give one space in between 80 and plus. See, if you can see here, I'll show you clearly. Okay, so there you have to give one space. Okay, now if you run the command, it will execute, and after running the command you just restart your device and you will get a new IMEI number for your device. Now the question is, where you will get the IMEI number? So that one you have to purchase the IMEI number from the vendors itself. Okay, thank you.